Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. Today we're here at SC18 in Dallas, Texas at the Lenovo booth with Scott Tease. Scott, thanks for having me.
Yeah.
You know, it seems like just a few days ago, but 5 years now you guys have been in the server space and in this HPC market.
Yeah, it's hard to believe.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's 5 years. Started in 2014, believe it or not. 5th year here, our biggest year ever. So, you know, they say everything's bigger in Texas. I can prove it by looking at the booth. I can prove it.
There are a lot of activity. There are a lot of different kinds of technologies being showed off. So why don't we start there? What are you showcasing this week?
Yeah, a couple of big things. One is water cooling. I think you see a lot of it on the floor. We kind of feel we invented the concept of warm water cooling, so we're showing that off as part of our Project Neptune. Got a great customer doing that right now, LRZ. Number 8 in the top 500 list, using that exact same technology.
Oh yeah, Super Muck too.
Super Muck, I tell a cool Muck. We got a cool Muck, a Super Muck, and a Muck next Super Muck NG. So we got them all there, going back to 2012. Same kinds of technologies, just continuing to get bigger. So number 8 in the top 500 list. Real excited about that.
Yeah.
Even if you're not buying a number 8 size computer, you can get that same exact technology buying one little chassis at a time. Pretty cool. So we're doing that, showing some cool new architectures for AI, and managing the merging of HPC and AI together. We're really excited about that. We think that's where HPC is heading, the whole combination of data and processing together. So we're showing that off. And then a lot of cool demos on what our customers do with the gear. Gear's cool, but the stuff they do with it's even more cool.
Yeah. And not too long ago, you guys had more systems on the top 500 than anybody, as I recall. Is that still the case?
Yeah, it's still the case. So June, last June, we took over #1 slot. Had 117 listings. Monday, they released the new listings. We got 140. And a couple of things I'm really proud of. One is we're the most globally diverse HPC company out there. We have more supercomputers in more countries than anybody else. 17 different countries, so pretty proud of that. And we've got almost one of every one of our systems on that list. So it's not just one HPC system, it's a little bit of all our entire portfolio, and it shows how broad that portfolio is and how everything's been tested for the rigors of HPC.
Well, just to wrap up here, where is this going for a company like Lenovo, this convergence of this HPC and this AI? Is this sky to limit for a company like you?
I hope so, man. I hope so. We're going to keep on going ever higher. So again, all the cool hardware you see here, it really comes together what our customers do with it. So we've got a customer like Cynet. They're our largest data center location in North America. They've got Niagara. They're using that supercomputer to map the way our ocean's currents work. It affects our food supply, our climate, things like that. We've got Malaysian Met using a similar type of technology, mapping and doing things with meteorology, doing 4-day forecasts several times a day, putting out warnings to save people's lives and tsunamis and things like that. So the amount of use case for this stuff is where it's really interesting. That's what drives us. That's what motivates us. So it's exciting.
Well, hey, Scott, thanks again for having me here. I hope you have a great week.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Nice seeing you again.